Hi, today I'm talking about time of request form. This is a simple form which can help you track employee time of requests on a daily basis where employees enter their contact information and other details. So if you see this form, we have got some basic fields of information which the employee has to enter in order to request for a time off. So how exactly does it work? Once all the fields are filled in and the submit button is clicked, you will be able to see the responses coming under the responses view as it is visible over here. So let's just test it out. So first thing is you go to the form builder, click on share form and click on copy form link. This will copy the link of the entire form and you need to expose this link to the particular employee who is looking to fill out. So I'm going to open it up in a new tab just to showcase how exactly it works. So you can see the form is loaded up. So I'm going to randomly fill in some of the details over here. As you can see, I'm filling some of the details. And once all the details are filled in, we will be able to see how the response gets captured. Okay. So I'm going to put in some random start date, end date, and I'm also going to select some date on the on this part. Yeah, so we can see that I filled in all the details. Let's click on submit. Once I click on that, you can see the response has now been submitted. And if I go back to the request form under the responses view, you can see that the new response has been captured over here. Okay. So this is how simple and easy it is to work with the time of request form. Obviously, you can make changes to all the fields under this form. It will still work. This is just a sample template file for a use case. An important tool which I want to talk about is PDF output. PDF output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it requires a Notion page, which acts as a source of the template file, and a Notion database, which has the contents that you would replace on a Notion page to generate documents in bulk. You can definitely check out a video which I've added at the bottom, which showcases how you can exactly follow the process for invoices. So I added bulk invoices kind of video, and you can watch this to understand the flow. So do check out PDF output for this. And if you are in need of any help or any support, you can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.